A baked avocado egg. Now look, I know you might think this sounds a little bit random, and maybe it is, but it's honestly such a great snack to have mid-afternoon with the combination of protein-rich eggs and the beautiful healthy fats in the avocado. It really does make the ultimate snack to carry you through the afternoon right up into dinner time to keep your energy levels lovely and stable and keep you away from the sugary treats cupboard. To make this one, cut open your avocados as I've just done, take the seeds out so that you've got decent sized cavity in each of your avocados. And you might need to make just a little bit more space, particularly on one side of the avocado, for the egg to be cracked into, because we want the egg to be held by the avo and not spill over the edges. We have some beautiful fresh eggs here. So when I take the avocado flesh out, I just keep it aside. Then to bake them, we want to ensure that the avocados are not wobbling around. So get yourself a loaf tin, line it with some baking paper, because less washing up later, and pop the avocados into the loaf tin. I go sort of alternate ways so that they prop each other up and stay nice and snug as they do. Then it's as simple as cracking the egg into the cavity of the avocado. Then we get these in the oven to bake at 200 degrees C for around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how soft you like the yolk of your egg. Baked to perfection. So I have some Japanese furikake seasoning. That's one of my favourite things to have on top of eggs and avocado, which we can sprinkle on. If you're more into your Middle Eastern type flavours, then you could go with dukkha. Love a good wholesome dukkha. Great way to add flavour into meals just at the end. Or if you're more traditional and just like good old barbecue or tomato sauce, get some good quality barbecue and tomato sauce into your pantry or fridge and have that as your option on the top. Or, you know, salt and pepper. This is such a great way to think about how to get your healthy fats from the avocado and some protein from the egg into your snacks. Or you could just have it as a breakfast or dinner on toast as well.